Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. Yo, hey my goodness. Wacha kwanza niwavalie. It's been a while sana. So guys, in my today's video that I wanna shoot ku surprise watoto. Sijui ni ku surprise ama kuhusu nini. And welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are a new subscribers, make sure you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, you like the video, you watch the video, you comment the video. Yo, let's go. Yeah, already to 1,000. And if you are my new my returning subscribers, I love you and I love you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. But niliwaambia musisahau Christmas tutakata keki pamoja. Sawa guys, musisahau hivyo. Christmas tutakata keki pamoja. But today nilikuwa nimeenda shopping kununulia watoto vitu. Then kufika penye nilienda kubai vitu nikakuta vitu za shule. So me nika change mind. But my kids know that nimeenda kununulia nini? Kununulia vitu za Christmas. I don't know vitu za Christmas ni gani. Unaona? Yeah, kitambo tulikuwa tunanunuliwa viatu za Christmas like so saa hii kila siku nawanunulia viatu na wanunulia nguo. So vitu za Christmas ni okay guys. So nimewanunulia vitu za shule. Hii ni box ya huyo mtoto mdogo. Yake si nzito. But this one here, this one is very heavy. This one is very heavy. So this one ni ya huyo kijana mkubwa and this one ni ya huyo kijana mdogo. Nataka kuwaita wanacheza nje nione reaction yao. Au ni aje guys? Let's do this. Nione kama watareact vizuri ama watareact vibaya. You know I love you guys. We can do this. Handy. Yeah. Come. Hey baby. Hi. How are you? Come here, give me a hug. Wow. Okay, I bought you something. You're not... Wow, I'm back. Okay, I bought you something, guys. No, that's not yours. That's not yours. That's for your brother. Yeah. My goodness. Simu yangu karibu ipasuke. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. Unaisa, yeah, fungua. Slowly, go slowly. You love it? Love it? You love it? You know what is it? You know? What did you expect?
Oh my gosh.
What did you expect? Guys? At your goodness. Thank you. Welcome, baby.
Yeah, Mom,
okay.
Books.
Yes, baby. You know, shule inafunguliwa. Okay, kila mtu atoe zake moja. Yes. Wow. Aya, hizo huyu wewe nimekununulia. Yeah. Mimi nimemnunulia. Okay, baby. What? Yeah, hapo imebeba sharpener, rubber, everything iko hapo, baby. Okay, help your brother.
Portfolio.
That's portfolio. No, don't be carelessly. Okay, guys, you see? I bought you everything. Everything. Back to school, okay?
This is model.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's different with yours.
This is mine. Books.
Yeah. Your books.
Glue.
Yeah, that's your, no, don't open it.
Yes.
This office glue.
Extra books.
Yeah, imagine huyu mtoto mdogo 10 exercise books.
Let me help you. Practice exercise books for learners. Textbooks. More textbooks.
Yeah.
More textbooks.
You have everything.
More
You have everything.
And it's over.
Wow.
What do
You put it inside. Tell me something. Thank you, baby. Come give me a hug. I love you so much, baby. I I thought that you will be mad at mommy.
No, it's my turn.
Okay, rudisha hizi zake kwa bag. Nilikuwa nadhania mtanikasirikia jamani. This yours, baby. You know? I promise to buy you something. Yeah, ebu. Hizo zimenifurahisha tu. Baba, don't yet. Wow, yeah. Haionekani, kuja na huko ionekane. Yeah, that's for Chris. You love the trouser?
Yeah. And a designed shirt.
T-shirt. That's not shirt.
Oh,
that's T-shirt.
Designed T-shirt. You like it?
This is like it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I like this one.
Yeah, that's your crayon. Don't open. Handy, rudisha hizo zake ndio ufungue zako. Uone zako.
Yeah, let's put it.
Weka venye zilikuwa. One by one. No, baby, no. Start with the test box, okay? You are not happy. You don't seem happy. Why? What's wrong? Sweetie, you don't seem happy.
What?
You happy? Panda meza nione uko happy. Panda meza unidansie nione uko happy.
Look at storybook. Look.
I bought you so many things, but you are not happy. Tell me thank you, mommy. You are the most awesome mommy. I love you, mommy. Sing for me.
This one is the one with shop too.
You have that?
Which one?
This one?
Yeah.
Your portfolio. You have your portfolio.
I want this.
Okay. No, you put this one up. Yes. You put the modelings. This one first.
This one.
Then you put the rubber.
Not crayons.
No, rubber and this one here. Bring that one here. Bring that.
You'll use it.
And this one.
No, that's for Handy. You want help, Handy?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, see?
Okay, you this one is yours.
Yep.
Okay, close that one for Christmas.
What? This is mine.
Wait. That's for Handy. I bought Handy too. One.
What?
Okay. Yours now.
We have set and pencils and rubber.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a home science kit.
Oh,
This one is for Handy. Let Handy remove his
Atlas.
yeah.
Golden.
I remember you have Kamusi, dictionary, Bible. Yeah. You have those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Golden bells. Yeah. Storybooks. English. Water crayons.
Yeah. Water paint. No, that's not yours.
Books.
No, that's not yours, baby. I know you. You know I know you. This for Handy.
This is mine.
More A4.
You have yours. Yes, I bought 200 A4 books. Yeah, 20.
What is that?
That is a big.
Colored. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, colored crayons.
Yeah, that one.
These are colored crayons. Big.
Yeah.
More.
In there we have all of that is exercise books. 20. Don't do like that. Don't be like that. This for your brother.
I helped you nicely. And of course, textbooks and also crayons. I mean
This storybooks.
Yeah.
Okay, you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. And also
T-shirt, yeah. You love the T-shirt?
they are matching.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
you are
so much.
you are everything. You have everything here.
Yes, yes.
You have everything here. This plain book. So the only thing you will do, you will write your name. Okay, you will write your name.
Today.
No, I don't know. Any day. If you want us to do it,
Wow.
can we shoot when you are writing your name? You shoot?
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay, but not today. Okay, are you happy, guys?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
And have a beautiful surprise for you. The 25th.
Yeah, guys, stay tuned on the 25th.
Yeah, stay
Mark your
tuned.
calendars on the 25th.
The 25th, we are going to Mapangale. Mapangale. We are going to
Cake.
No, it will be surprise. Okay, okay. Yeah, I always do that. But today, I thought of buying you books because I've been buying you everything. You have